Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making white beef pulao recipe. It is very delicious. Try it on the occasion of Eid al-Adha and you will get compliments from everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to make easy recipes. 5 glasses of water. Yakhni preparation. 1 medium-sized onion. 1 javitri piece. 1 star anise. 3 tablespoons of dry coriander. Watch the full video to see 2 tips in the middle of the video. 3 tablespoons of fennel. 4 cardamom. 2 black cardamom. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons and salt as taste. Beef, meat 500 grams with bones. Half packet pilau masala. Cook 20 to 25 minutes. If you are cooking beef or meat in a pot, cook it for a maximum of 35 to 40 minutes. Add oil 1/2 cup and onion 3 medium. Black pepper 10 to 12. 10 cloves. Cinnamon 1 1/2 piece. Mix well. $500 of rice 1/2 kg and soaked 20 minutes. 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. $10 green chilies. Mix well. $250 of yogurt. Tip: beat the curd well before adding it, and I am going to share with you a tip that you should never add curd to hot spices. Keep it slow and then add the curd little by little so that your whole spice or curd does not burst. Salt as your taste. Cook 3 minutes. Drain the cooked yakhni well and add it to the spices. Cook 5 minutes. Add soaked rice. Tip: add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to it so that your rice does not break. Cook 15 to 20 minutes and then ready. Alhamdulillah, beef white pilau is ready. This is very juicy and full flavors of beef yakhni. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy and simple recipes, and be sure to leave your comments. Thank you for watching.